It's July, right? Yeah, this is the July box. I have to open the box. I'll get scissors. Oh, I can't believe I can't even cut it open. Okay. Loco. This is soap, guys. They call it silky powder soap. Hey guys, how are you? It's been a long time since I've been on stream. I started stream at 2... What time? What would I start? I started stream around... what time is it? It's 4:30 p.m. and I shouldn't have started at this time. Like, the plan was to start at 2 o'clock. So, very sorry. Where were you at 2 p.m. Moon Bubble? Like, I swear, like, long story short, I got really sick and really ill. I find it really hard to get up in the morning. Yeah, it's horrible, it's horrible. Also, do you like my nails? Yeah, whatever. No one really cares. But yeah, that's what happened, guys. Basically, I think I definitely need to get a blood test done. For real, the other day, the other morning, I took like 3 times as much as iron as I needed to. I went to the bathroom. I kept going to the toilet. So with the thing, when you eat too much iron supplements, what happens is that you keep wanting to take a dump. That's what happened. I was like, yay, my iron is replenished, but like literally, like I keep going to the bathroom. Like I keep wanting to have a baby or something, like down there. It got me thinking, should I really get an iron infusion? Because like if I do get an iron infusion, like what if what if there are like side effects? Am I still gonna live after I take the iron infusion? Yeah, that's the question. Thank you so much for those who have been here for so long. I actually got a No Make No Life box, but what happened is that I started my subscription for my for a No Make No Life. If you're wondering what it is, they send you like makeup just random makeup, Japanese and Korean makeup each month. But I want to kind of unbox with everyone here. Like there's like 3 cameras like over here watching me. I kind of want to share the fun of unboxing. It just makes me excited, you know, like obviously not saying that makeup solves all our problems, but trust me girl, like sometimes it really does. And I'll just start unboxing whatever. It's July, right? Yeah, this is the July box. I have to open the box. I'll get scissors. Oh, I can't believe I can't even cut it open. Okay. Yeah, this is this month's box. Fresh. Oh my gosh. And it has... I really like this box actually. I really like this one. There's like face masks, and there is a mascara. There's a this is a mascara remover. Use it to remove your mascara. Use silky powder soap. This is a cooling roll-on and makeup puffs. You can't really see it. Okay. We have a makeup sponge. Okay, guys, tell me if the ASMR is working in the comments below. Yeah, the urge to open this up is so real, but like, I think it's just 6. Loco. This is soap, guys. They call it silky powder soap. Assuming that when you wash it, it's going to be very powdery. This is I was looking for this one. This is a shampoo brush. It's like a little cinnamoro. You can't see it, but it's like a cinnamoro sitting in a cup, in a mug. Oh yeah, I haven't shown you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna be using that a lot. For under eyes. Yeah. ASMR. This is a mascara. I really like this. I think this mascara is really good. because it's kind of bent. Oh no, it's not bent. It just looks like this. Normal mascara. This is the mascara remover. The mascara remover. Cool. My camera's running out of battery, but this is the face mask. And I don't really... That's cool, it's just whatever, some sort of retinol face mask. Yeah. I love Japanese products. It's so, like, clear. It's so see-through. And I've got this random vitamin C one as well. Yeah. And that's it. I'm really, really excited to use all these products for the next month.